Really beautiful. It's an art piece inside and out. The twin spoke spare wheel, all original.
Yeah. Okay. I pull up you deep on my niggas, consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it. She tapping it fast. I think that you know they be catching it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow on niggas that talk like they bad it. They know that we got it. They talk.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Daily Driven SA. Today I'm here with this beautiful Toyota at the back. This is the 1997 Toyota 20 valve. It's RSI, and this is a truly special car for me because I grew up with this car. I still remember my primary school teacher owning this car, so that was quite long ago, and then now someone I know personally is owning the car, so that's why I decided to do a video on the car. This is a stock standard car. I can't stress this enough. I'm going to show you guys a bit closer now towards the car, but this car still got its original radio, 5 twin spoke wheels. It also have a shuttle at the back which is still working, so stuff like that attracted me to the car to do a feature on this car. So I'm very excited, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Boom. Alright guys, before we get into the video where we do a walk around on the car, I just want to say a special welcome to the channel to the main man, Mr. Ethan Davids. This is the current owner of this beautiful Toyota 20 valve. Ethan, welcome to the channel and thank you for your time.
My naam is Ethan. Ek is my RSI 20 valve BLACKTOP en hy is stock standard. Ek het niks gedoen aan die kar nie. Ek het hom so gekoop by Cyril Faro, and yeah, that is that.
Alright, why this specific car? I know you come from Toyota, but why this specific one?
This one was
the
my
real
dream.
McCoy.
This was the real McCoy. This was my droomkar, David. Jy het altyd geweet ek soek altyd BLACKTOP.
Yes.
No matter if it's 20 valve or beams.
Yes.
Yeah, so that was my droom geweest.
Yeah, and I have to say you got yourself one special car, and I'm truly excited to show the viewers a bit more to close up, you know.
Yes.
Just give us a walk through the car. I know it's stock standard, but yeah, just in general.
Okay.
Yeah guys, I just want to give you guys a closer look to the motor. Just one thing that I've noticed when I opened the bonnet, this sticker. So Ethan told me that this was the Toyota emblem.
Yeah.
Way back,
yeah.
Before they became a global brand. I don't know whether that is 100% true. Ethan also is not 100% sure, but he was told that this is the emblem or the badge. So comment down below if you know anything regarding this, and then we take it from there. Let's do the inside of this car. Mr. Davids will just open it up for us. Everything in the car, you guys will see, is basically stock standard. The seats, everything like this came from the factory, so this is pretty awesome. I just want to show you guys this front loader key. This is the original tape, as we call it, in this car. So this is something that will be changed as soon as a new guy owns the car, but this is all kept original and in a very good condition. Also at the back, I'll show you guys, everything is neat and on its place. This is a factory stock car. So one also interesting things about the car is, like I said previously, is the CD shuttle, or the, what do you call it again, Ethan? A shuttle, no?
Yeah, CD shuttle.
CD shuttle. I just want to show it to you guys. There you can see this is from the factory, Panasonic. And also, whilst we are in the back, I'll just show you guys the twin spoke spare wheel, all original. Here you guys have it. Sure. Overall, I think this is a true showcase and a true masterpiece of what this cars look like from the factory. And this is something I do appreciate it too, because you know, you don't see this every day on the streets. Here you guys can see Corolla RSI 20 valve. This is a blacktop, like we've mentioned, and geez, this car is in a good condition. So leave a comment down below, guys, what you guys think of this specific car, and I'm pretty curious to see what the comments will be. And also, if you're watching from wherever in the world or in South Africa, comment down below where you're watching from. And this is a true masterpiece. We came here about an hour and a half ago, and I just had to take it all in, and Ethan also allowed me to drive the car. We also have this man, this is a subscriber. He's been shy for this camera. We also have Tyler here, Ethan's son, Mr. Ty. So yeah, the boys are just enjoying the outing. They will, I think, go and do something after this, but yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful car, guys. So yeah, I drove the car as well. Nothing done to this car. I think Ethan made his own conversion here. Ethan, just tell us about this cold air conversion you busy with here.
No, this is just a cold air. Just a cold air.
At the bottom?
Yes.
There you guys can see it.
Cold, David.
Cold air there.
Yes, yes.
But I think it's not done, eh? Still waiting
done
for
yet.
your cousin to build a
yes,
pipe thingy there.
pipe, yes.
I think it's the condition that speaks for itself. And pretty decent car, very nice. What we'll do now, we'll just take a drive. Maybe we can just do 1 or 2 pulls with the car. Very excited for that. So I just want you guys to listen to the sound. Ethan, exhaust wipe?
It's a power flow.
Power flow
57 mil.
57.
Down pipe is.
Yes. See. Show you guys closer.
The RSI look, yes.
See this thing have is tow bar at the back and everything, keeping it stock, not removing or adding any unnecessary things, eh? Hey guys, so yeah, as you guys can see, I am in the blacktop 20 valve. This is a car that drives so nice. I can't stress this enough. The whole feel of the car is magnificent. I think this is a car that I would personally keep like this as well. So we're just gonna test it out on the road. I've driven the car now before we came to the other location. I just want to put up this window, and overall I think this is a beautiful car inside out. This car drives nice and smooth. This is a car that you can drive far mileages. You can drive from here till Joburg, and you won't really have issues. So this is for me something that I would really like to own one day. And yeah, this is also one of my childhood dream cars as well, and driving this car makes it so surreal, and it's really beautiful. It's an art piece inside and out, especially when it's kept like from the factory. So this is a very clean car, and we're just going to do 1 or 2 pulls with the car, not really much. This isn't a car that is really designed. Oh, you can if you wanna, and you can if you wanna buy the car, and this car will give you what you want. But for now, this is not the aim of this video. This is not a performance video. After all, this is just to showcase the originality and the beauty of this car. But however, I know there's some guys that's been waiting for something like this, and we will give it to you guys. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go. So yeah, we just came from a liquor drive with the car. This car is smooth like butter. So what we'll do now is just first, second, third, just have a feel for the car. I'm not gonna really launch the car or do anything of that sort. We're just gonna feel the gears right through to third. So yeah, I'm not really gonna launch the car, I'm just gonna pull away and then we take it so to 7.5. Amazing guys, amazing. This car feels so lekker. Just gonna go over to fourth. Very, very nice. The sound, there's no open boxes, anything like that. And this is an enjoyable sound. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, very beautiful guys. More than enough, more than enough. Yo, incredible. Blacktop, eh?
Yes.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's video. I truly enjoyed myself with this beautiful blacktop 20 valve. This is an incredible car. This is total stock. This is a masterpiece on its own. This car is really well looked after. So shots to you, Mr. Ethan Davids. Thank you for taking really good care of this car. And this is a car that we can showcase to the younger generations. As you guys can see, we're skitting it out with the young ones as well. So yeah, it's incredible honor for me to drive this car. And I want you guys now to leave us a like, comment down below what you guys think, and also what you want to see on the next video, and also where you guys watching from. Don't forget, if you want to fund the space or you appreciate the work we do, you can go and buy us a coffee. It will be in the description down below. Make sure you are subscribed. You don't want to miss out for content. And I'm really hacking fast here because this man is really dancing here in the background. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video, and let's go. Boom. Only one, only one, only one.